Hey guys, it's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're making vanilla ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. That is right, it's only 3 ingredients and it comes out so rich and tasty. I added sprinkles because my kids are dying to eat it. This is how you would make it in the Ninja Foodi blender. Be sure to check the description box for any of the links for the items that I use in my videos if you guys are interested. And make sure you guys hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm for getting my videos out there. And if you guys could let me know in the comments what you guys like to eat with your ice cream. Do you guys put hot fudge on it? Chocolate syrup? What do you guys like to put on it? My kids love sprinkles, which is why you see the sprinkles there right now. And it comes out so great. I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. But hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes, and we'll go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so all we're gonna need to make the vanilla ice cream are 3 ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You'll need 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm using the Nestle La Lechera. This is the original. And then you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I just have that in a little bowl here, and I'm using the pure vanilla extract. For the whipping cream, I'm using the Nutsin. You could use like the store name brand. It's not gonna really make a difference. And all we're gonna do is just take out the top here. We're gonna add our ingredients. Okay. Let me make sure I get that all out. And we're gonna go ahead and let me get a spoon. I already know that's gonna be tough, I can tell. Okay. Just 1/3 cup. Now we're not adding any ice. I'm gonna add the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. But this is a quick way to make ice cream, or it's not a quick way essentially, but it's a fast recipe. You still have to put it in the freezer. That's the only downside. So we're gonna go ahead, turn the Foodi on, and we're gonna do ice cream. It'll blend for a minute. Okay, so now it is done. You will need a container, an airtight container. So I'm using the Snapware airtight container here. It's just what I use for my food. But you could put a plastic, like saran wrap on top. You just want to make sure that you don't get the freezer burn. We're gonna put it in the freezer. Let's see. Okay, so I want to show you guys what it looks like. We used the heavy whipping cream, so you can kind of see that it's already starting to look, has that creamy texture, and that's because of the heavy whipping cream. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour that out. Let me get, I like my little handy dandy spatula. So I use my icing spatula because it reaches really well into the blender, and I use it for when I'm like, instead of the tamper, I'm essentially using this to push anything down that's on the sides because it just scrapes everything clean. Okay, now I'm just gonna smooth it out here. And you might hear my kids fighting there. Sorry guys. Okay. So now that we have, that's gonna taste really good. If you guys have vanilla bean in your house, you can scrape the vanilla beans and make vanilla bean ice cream, and instead of using the extract, just use some vanilla bean in there. But it's the same recipe. We're gonna close this. We'll add it in, we'll put it in the freezer for a couple hours, and we'll be back to check it out. All right, we are back, and we have our vanilla ice cream. I'm just using this OXO ice cream scooper, and we're gonna go ahead and scoop ice cream, and they make perfect little scoops. I love this ice cream scooper. And I just pour it right in. Okay. That's it. We're almost there. Okay. All right. There we go. And let's go ahead and try it. I'll try it from here. Let's see. So good. Sorry guys, I'm just enjoying it. It is really, really good, you guys. This is how you would make vanilla ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. It's amazing, you guys. Definitely gotta try it out. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments what you guys like to add to your vanilla ice cream. Do you like it plain? Or do you add chocolate, nuts? What do you guys add to your ice cream? And make sure you hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming to you guys all year long. I cannot wait to share them with you. But you guys have a great night.